Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where health meets happiness. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're diving into something many new moms are curious about, reducing that tummy post-delivery. Stay tuned as we guide you through some simple yet effective home exercises to get you started on this journey. Section 1. Understanding your body post-delivery. First things first, it's important to understand our bodies after childbirth. Remember, your body has just done something incredible and it needs time to heal. So, before we start, always consult with your doctor to ensure you are ready for physical activity. Section 2. Warm-up routine. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body and prevent injuries. Do these for about 5 minutes. Feel free to go at your own pace and listen to your body. Section 3. Core strengthening exercises. Now, onto the core exercises. These are designed to strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles, which is key to reducing your tummy post-delivery. Pelvic tilts. This exercise is great for strengthening your lower abdomen. Ensure your back is flat against the floor. Bridge. The bridge not only works your abs, but also strengthens your glutes and back. Modified plank. Start with a less intense version of the plank. Remember, it's not about duration, but about maintaining correct form. Section 4. Cool down and stretch. Now let's cool down. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps in muscle recovery and flexibility. And that's it for today. Remember, consistency is key. Start slow and gradually increase your intensity as you feel more comfortable. Always listen to your body and give it the love and patience it deserves. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with other new moms, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.